Yeah, hello guys, it's the Eminence Trader, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the trading setups that I had this week. I would also be breaking down how my trades went this week, the setups I took, what went well, what didn't go well, and the lessons from it all. All right, let's head over to the charts and break down the trades one by one.
First pair I dropped an analysis on last week was AUD card, and as you can see, I remember I told you people that was from the weekly that is reacting from, and it is still moving. And like I said, it is a long-term trade that can take you weeks. So it's not for small accounts, basically. It's like a long-term trade. I expect it to get here before anything. And once it gets here, definitely going to like get towards this level, but at least 3 hour and more is guaranteed here. It's a positional trade. It's not even a swing trade because it was speaking on the weekly time frame. Same thing with this AUD chef. We finally triggered in this new week. Like I said, the FVG, everything is in alignment. I expect it to continue selling. This is also a long-term trade. It's positional trade. It's not even swing because it will take weeks and months basically. So it's also not for small account. Then I have the AUD NZD. I had the setup here too. This one, it's sweet SL. But I was not certain about it. I remember saying it that it's not like it's clear because after all of this nonsense that I did, I'm not sure I held it. I think we closed it. Just wanted to be sure. I think we closed it because I didn't look at this pair at all last week. Yeah, I didn't look at it last week. I think we closed this after this annoying movement, moving back. Yes, I closed it. I just remembered. I closed it after all this annoying movement. So that was what happened. That's what happened with that. I would have to reanalyze later and see what is happening there. Then the next pair that I had the setup on was Card Chef. It has still not triggered. It has still not triggered. But I don't think I would hold this again, Sha. I'll most likely delete this order now and reanalyze new setups for the week. Then I don't think I had anything here. Yeah, I did not have anything here. I had set up an Euro AUD also. It's still loading. It's still running rather. I already took partials from here after this was taken out. Now it has entered the new entry that I had. But let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes this week. I expect it to buy though, because it's very valid. If you don't know why, you should go and check the previous videos. It was taken from the daily time frame. Ticket. So then the next one is Euro GPY. Sorry, Eurocard. I had it set up on Eurocard. Yes, it's self-setup. So as you can see, let me zoom in. You can see it picked the FVG. Like I always tell my students, whenever the FVG is negligible and it is close to the bearish order block, mark it together because most times it might not get into the order block before selling. And that was exactly what happened. I've seen this play out a lot of time. It's similar to what happened on the AUDHF too. Do you get so? And it's already running more than 2 hours now. It's running more than 2 hours already. So I expect it to get here to and sweep this external liquidity. And like I said last week, I said it will sweep this first one first. Then we'll see what happens. And it has done that already. It has done that already. So I expect more sales after this was swept out. But then partials have already been taken here also. So that is that for Euro card still running. Then we have Euro GPY. This one eats full TP sweet, very sweet. The manipulation was in my own favor. It was very, very straightforward. Other block, it was a CISD entry. So the CISD entry, and we just waited and price came back just straight up. Did not even stress. Straight to TP. These are the kind of trades that I love. No stress. No stress kind of trades. Then we add this to this one has been running since. So already 3 hours sharp. I've already taken partials here too, and I've set break even. I don't expect it to get back towards this level before sweeping this external range liquidity. So this one is still wrong. That's already done 4 hours. By the way, it has already done 4 hours, and I've taken significant profits here. So that is that for Euro NZD. Then I also had something on Euro USD still running. This one has just been, they don't understand what I want to say about this pair. It's been moving mad. Very annoying, very annoying movements. Very, very annoying movements. But then it is what it is. And that is that. It's still running though. Then I also had the setup on GBP USD. That one, it's Sweet SL. Sweet SL. I just wanted to collect small 4 hours. But after he swept this though, I already took partials and set break even. So I didn't close this at a loss. After I swept this, I set break even and took partials. And that was it because I did not trust the price action. I just knew that something was off. about the setup, and I was right. So I didn't lose in this trade. I actually took some profits and set break even. So I was very safe. The next pair we had the setup on was USD card. This one has triggered, and let's see how it goes. It's from a daily order block, as you can see. So let's see what the market decides to do. Let's see what it decides to do this week. Let's see what it decides to do. It overall is um, overall, it's moving from it's reacting from a demand. That was the English I was looking for. It's reacting from a strong demand on the daily and on the weekly. So let's see what happens during the week. This one has not triggered yet. So that's what is making me scared of that USD card, because these two pairs, they literally move almost the same way. And what that means is that if this is going to come for this entry, it means that the USD card might hit stop loss. And remember, the entry, the SA radar is small compared to the overall demand too. So I still have my doubts regarding this setup too. If I'm working with alignments with other pairs, because I still expect this to come down and sweep this liquidity here. Expect it to sweep this into this other block. So even if I'm marking it full, I'll mark here. But let's see what the market decides to do. Then I had something on USD This one's very annoying trade. Similar to what happened in EJ, but this one did not favor me. So I hit sell on this one too. And that is that. Then the last pair is gold. This one has been running since last week. Like I said, gold likes reacting from FVGs a lot. It likes reacting from FVGs a lot, especially on the daily. And that's what's currently playing out. That's already run 2.5 hour currently. The overall setup is 6 hour. But let's see what happens. But like I said, on this pair, I always take my partials gradually. So like this, now partials has already been taken. Break even has already been set. So whatever happens here depends on the market, but I'm not going to lose anything from this setup. So that is basically all. That's basically the review of all the major setups I had in the previous week. And in the next video, I'll be talking about my outlook for the week, what I expect, the setups I'm looking at, and the likes. So enjoy the rest of your day. I remain Olariwaju, the eminent trader. Thank you and God bless.
And that's how my week went. I believe you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to go back to the chart, review your trades, and see where you can improve on. It is very, very, very important. Trade reasonably, trade wisely, and always manage your risk properly. This is also very, very important. And always remember, no be your papa get market. Oh, I'll see you next week.